How to write to an existing Excel file without overwriting data, using pandas. I use pandas to write to Excel file in the following fashion. Masterfile.xlsx already consists of number of different tabs. However, it does not yet contain main. Pandas correctly writes to main sheet. Unfortunately, it also deletes all other tabs.
Pandas doc says it uses OpenPixel for XLSX files. Quick look through the code in ExcelWriter gives a clue that something like this might work out.
Update. Starting from pandas 1.3.0, the following function will not work properly, because functions dataframe.to_excel and pd.excelwriter have been changed. A new if_sheet_exists parameter has been introduced, which has invalidated the function below. Here you can find an updated version of the append_df_to_excel, which is working for pandas 1.3.0 plus. Here is a helper function. Tested with the following versions: pandas 1.2.3, OpenPixel 3.0.5.
With OpenPixel version 2.4.0 and pandas version 0.19.2, the process at SKI came up with gets a bit simpler.
Starting in pandas 0.24, you can simplify this with the mode keyword argument of ExcelWriter.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.